What's up, you guys? It's your girl Lil and I'm back once again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a back to school emergency kit haul. Now you guys are probably like, what is an emergency kit? An emergency kit is basically something you bring to school with you to keep in your locker just in case you have an accident and you can't go home right away and you need to go to the bathroom to do something. You will have everything with you in your locker in school. So yes, but before we get into this video, I want to know, how did you guys like the new intro? Now, I made that whole entire intro myself, which I am so proud of myself because I literally was going to pay somebody to make me one, but I went on YouTube, which is such the most helpful site ever, to make my own simple intro. I think it came out really good for my first time ever doing it. I do need to figure out how to get a good music to it that's not copyright, and then I gotta make me an outro as well. So be on the lookout for the outro. It should be coming in the next video. But yes, you guys, so yeah, and also y'all, I did my hair this morning and I am in love with it. My mother parted it for me and I'm feeling it so much. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay guys, so I have this box right here from Target, as y'all can see. I literally bought everything off of Target, and I did go in Walmart and grab a few things as well. So yeah, it's a good amount. Ooh, y'all can't even see. It's a good amount of stuff in here. Y'all might think I'm overdoing it, but me, I like to have enough I like to be safe than sorry. So make sure I will always have more stuff than less because it's better to have more stuff just in case you break something, mess something up, you have enough, okay? So yeah, but before I go into the bag, I'm gonna first show you guys the little baggie I'm gonna keep in my locker, which is gonna carry like mainly all the stuff in there. It's this bag right here. I actually got this bag freshman year. I think this was freshman year or 8th grade actually. I don't remember, but it's a really good bag, and it's actually a makeup bag, but I just use it to store all my stuff in here. I got this from Walmart, like I said, 2 years ago, and it's just really nice. I do sometimes use it for a makeup bag when I go out of town, but I'm not going out of town or nowhere, and I really don't wear makeup that much, so yeah. But this one's gonna be, I'm gonna just put this in my locker, and it's black, and nobody can see what's in here. That's what I love about, make sure you like a black or like a dark colored bag, because you don't want everybody seeing what you got in there, because it's none of their business. It's just your business, okay? Like, people be weird in school. I know I'm not the only one who peeps that in school, but yeah. So I got that bag 2 years ago. I think it was like $10 at Walmart when I got it. They do still sell this brand. I don't know if they sell this exact one, but yeah. Let's go ahead and get right into this box. I did go in the beauty supply store as well because I needed to get some hair things as well, because you know us girls out here with curly hair, even fine thick hair, you know that when you about to go to the gym, your hair just turns to a different thing, okay? So I don't even know where to start. There's so much stuff in this bag, okay? I mean in this box. So I think I'm gonna start off with the first thing I see, which is Kleenex. Now y'all probably like, it ain't cold yet. No, it's not cold yet. It's still July. It's actually July. My Apple Watch is dead. I always put it on even when it's dead. Today is July 19th and I started school August 11th, like I told y'all. So it's not cold. It's not gonna be cold when I go back to school. But y'all know, when it's like the first few weeks of school, no matter what time of the school year, them classrooms be freezing and they be making your nose kind of like sniffle and run and everything. So I like to have me some Kleenex with me, and this is just a 6-pack I got from Walmart for like $1 and some change, and they're super cute. Look at the little, ooh, y'all okay? Look at the cute little packaging of them. Love it. So I got these. And these I don't normally keep in that bag. I keep these like in my purse because you need these on deck with you throughout your whole day. I'm not gonna go to locker, no Kleenex. And some teachers keep Kleenex in the classroom, but I just have my own, so this is gonna be my purse with me all day. So I got that. Next thing I got on here is some hand sanitizer. I did buy another bottle of hand sanitizer since the back to school supplies haul. So yeah, you gotta have enough with it. Okay, let me tell y'all a funny story. When I went online and bought all the stuff on Target, they literally sent me 3 different boxes. This came in one box, y'all. The boxes actually got garbage in it, so I'm not gonna show you how big it was, but it was this big of a box with just this hand sanitizer in it, and I also got some lotion in there in one box, and then everything else came in this big box. Like, I was like, y'all can put everything in one box or like something. I was like so confused, but I don't know, it was crazy. So I got me some hand sanitizer, because you know, germs, and you need hand sanitizer on deck with you all the time, okay? Next thing I got, which I said, is some lotion right here, because lotion is very important. We all know we all get ashy, especially when you gotta go to the gym. You gotta put on them shorts. You don't want people seeing your ash. I do carry like a bigger version of this. I carry like a probably Bath and Body Works bottle and keep that in my gym locker, but this is like how to keep on me like in my purse normally on a daily basis. So got me this one. It's just the Vaseline Essential Healing one. It doesn't matter to me. I like any kind of lotion as long as I am moisturized, okay? So next I got is this. This right here comes in handy so much wherever you go, not just school, work, whatever. This is just the to-go first aid kit. Now, if you don't get a first aid kit, what are you doing? Like, this is one of the main things I always get every single year I go back to school since middle school, is a first aid kit, because some teachers don't be wanting to let you go to the nurse, and the nurses be so rude and mean. And I know people have experienced some rude, mean nurses, like they don't want to be there and help you out. That's your job. You're supposed to help us if we get sick or something, okay? Now, this first aid kit comes with 2 cleansing wipes, 4 gauze pads, 2 band-aids, and the flexible fabric, and then 4 band-aids. They're 2 different sizes. It's a big long one and there's 2 small ones, and then it also comes with a durable plastic case, which is this. I don't want to take this part off, but so nobody can really know what it is with me. But yeah, this was like $2 and some change at Walmart. This is just in the travel section, like in like where the soap and all that. And so I just got this because I love to have that, because I be getting the paper cuts, and them paper cuts don't be playing. Them things be hurting. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I also got me some Carmex. You cannot go wrong without some Carmex, honey. Carmex lip gloss, whatever, chapstick, whatever you use. I just got this. It was $1, so there you go. Another thing I got in here is some Listerine. You guys are like, probably like, why did you get Listerine? I feel like Listerine, Listerine is something good to have with you no matter where you at, because honey, after lunch, sometimes that lunch food be stinking and making your breath stink, and you don't have gum with you. I forgot to put gum in this video, which I'm so sorry, but you guys, let y'all know I always keep gum or mints with me in school. But this right here, you can go to the bathroom real quick and just pour some in your mouth and then just spit it out. There you go. Your breath smells that good before you go back to class, okay? When you're talking. So got this lovely mouthwash. It's just a Listerine Cool Mint one. I don't have a preference of mouthwash. I like any mouthwash. Personally, to me, I like the Walmart, the Target brands. They're still do the same thing to. Okay guys, so the next thing I want to show you guys is just this. I never tried this before, but I'm going to try it out this school year. It's just the Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy dry shampoo. Y'all see what it looks like? Okay, this is it. I never used dry shampoo in my life, but I'm going to try it out for the first time this year, especially in gym. Your hair just turned into a different thing. But yeah, I got this, so I'm going to try it out. I also got for my hair is just this brush. I actually got it from Beauty Spot. It's actually low-key cute. It's like a wet brush, and it's good for detangling when your curls start getting tight, and you know, just a brush is very handy, and I try to keep this on me 24/7. I also got me this comb. Now I only will use this comb is when my hair is straightened. I don't get my hair straightened as much as I used to, but when I do get it straightened or like get some weave or something, this is what I'm gonna be using to keep on me to comb my hair, because you know how girls want to get the hair straightened in school. They be combing their hair all throughout the day, literally. I also got me these. I always have to keep these on deck with me. These are a necessity wherever I go. These are just some scrunchies. I normally use the colorful ones, but just in case I forget one and stuff and I really want to put my hair up out of my face, I would just use these. And they're just all black because black goes with everything, and no matter what I'm wearing, it will match whatever I'm wearing. So I just got this. It just has 8 of them. Actually, I thought there was like only 5, but there was $5.99 on Target. And it's 8 of them, and they're really stretchy. Ooh, I like these. Okay, I have to go buy me some more. They have some different colored ones, but I just grabbed black because black is, you know, my fave. I also got this brush right here, just in case like in the morning I need to stick on my gel and stuff. This is a good thing. I don't bring gel with me, but if I have to, I'll put it in my book bag and stuff. But I don't ever keep that in my locker because I don't need to, because I make sure I get my hair nice and slick before I go to school. But just in case, this is gonna be helpful, especially when my hair is short as well, put in a ponytail. So this was $1 at the beauty supply store. I got this. This is just the Dove Advanced Care dry spray. Now, like I said, I never use the dry spray. I always use just the regular solid one. But I'm gonna try this one out. I heard it's good. My cousin uses one. Like, this is the only type of deodorant she uses, just a dry spray. So I'm gonna try it out, and it's just a mini one. So yeah, we gonna try that out. Okay. Also, I got me some Aleve. Now, funny story again. I do not know how to take pills, and that's kind of embarrassing to say at my age. I am 16 years old, almost 17, and I don't know how to take pills. But I did buy these because I'm gonna attempt to learn. I'm a junior this year. I need to learn because, honey, you be getting them cramps in school, and they don't give you medicine in school. But let me tell you, these work so good. I just crush them up now, but I'm gonna learn to take them and swallow them because I can't crush them up at school because I don't got no metal stuff. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be bringing with me and keeping with me. You can use Tylenol, Aleve, whatever you like, but I just like Aleve. Okay. Another thing I got right here is just this Tide to Go stain remover. Now, I've never used this, but I did see people say it actually works. So just in case I got like a light shirt like this and I get a stain from eating lunch, I can just go ahead and just zoom and get that out of there, because I do not like stains. They really work my nerves. Like, only time I wear stained clothes in the house when I'm just chilling around the house, but never in public. So yeah, got that. I also got some floss sticks. Now, I'm not bringing all these at once to school because this is a lot. I'm gonna take like half of them and keep them in my bag. But yeah, I just grabbed some floss sticks because after lunch, like I'm telling y'all, food gets stuck in your teeth like really easily, and that's one thing I hate, especially like when you're eating meat. So I got me some floss sticks. Now, these are these the mint ones? Yes, they are mint flavored. I love mint flavored floss sticks, because if they're not mint flavored, I'm not going to, or even flavored, I'm not going to use them at all because they just, no. Another thing I had got is just this OMV by Vaza. I don't know how to pronounce this. It's just a dry wash spray. Just when you're on the time of the month you're on your cycle, you can use this to spray down there, not exactly on there, but like on your pants or something. But this is what I got, and this is gonna be really a necessity. And I'm gonna see if I like this one because I've tried the other brand, FDS and Summer's Eve, but I'm gonna try this one. I heard it's good. It's a new one, so let's see how this one actually turns out, and if I like it, I'm gonna let y'all know and update y'all on it. A headband. I didn't buy a new headband. I just wanted to show y'all that this is a necessity as well, just in case your edges are not looking up to part like you want them to be. And a headband is very good to have in your emergency kit. Okay, this one I'm not gonna probably bring. I'm probably bringing like a black one, but that's the one I found, and I just wanted to show y'all that because it's really good to have a headband with you on deck. Now pads, you guys. Okay, these are the ones I use, whatever, but that time of the month women need that. You can use tampons or whatever you want to, but I only use pads because that's my preference. So just make sure you keep them in there with you, like just keep them there all the time, because you never know when it's gonna come. So keep them, at least 3 of them in your emergency kit at all times, and restock them up every time. So like if it's like every month you need to restock some stuff up, bring it home that weekend and restock it up and bring it back, you know, because if nobody gonna know what this is unless you tell them. So don't tell them, just let them just think, let them just figure it out themselves. Now next thing I got right here is just these flushable wipes. Now these babies here, I love these flushable wipes no matter what time of the year it is, no matter what time I have to use the bathroom and stuff. These are so good. Even if you need to freshen up your armpits at the gym or before gym, these come in handy now. These are a plus. I got these from Walmart. I only get my flushable wipes from Walmart because Walmart has the best ones. I don't really care. And the last and final thing that is in this box is just these Ziploc contain the clutter essential stuff accessory bags. Now I've never bought these before, but I saw these in Walmart in the beauty section, and they're actually for you to take like stuff like this. And I'm just gonna be putting my wipes in here when I take them to school, because I don't really carry this thicko thing in school and like in my locker and stuff, and it won't fit really in here obviously. So these are cute little decorative Ziploc bags for you to reuse for like traveling stuff. So I'm gonna just refill it up every time I need to. So that's what these are for. These are like $6 for these, but they're just so cute, and it comes with 5 in a pack. And look at the colors and stuff. So that is it for this back to school emergency kit haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on so you guys can notify whenever I post a video. And also comment some other videos you want to see for back to school series or just regular videos in general. And also let me know how y'all really like the intro, because I'm really proud of it and everything like that. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.